And in the fourth book called Surveys Operation, first is undoubtedly the most critical of all. The perception that customers as users with the quality the surveys provide depends ultimately upon proper organization and coordination of all stakeholders. As he well understood in all other facts of the survey's life cycle, ultimate in the surveys are rendered properly by providing the value and utility required by the clients with agreed quality levels. Obviously, it's unless proper strategy designed and service transition file the delivery. On the other hand, is virtuality impossible the continuous improvement phase of the surveys is stable if observed solutions and change without all the information gathered during the operation phase. The main objectives of the surveys operation phase include coordinate and implement all process activities and functions necessary to provide agreed surveys to agreed quality levels. Also, support all surveys users. One I believe the most important managing the technology infrastructure necessary to provide the surveys. One of the essential aspects of surveys operation is second, a balance between instability and responsiveness. Stability is necessary because customer requires ability and shows resistance to change. On the other hand, the rapidly changing business needs and that usually requires speed of response. Usually, with planet change must not affect the stability of the surveys, but this requires the cooperation for all those involved in the operation of the surveys to be provide the necessary feedback. In surveys operation, application of completes of each organization should not engage in the provision of the surveys for which it lacks the necessary technology capacity or human resource, nor the mistakes of fat XX unnecessary more expression eating infrastructure cost surveys rendered. According to above, in our project, we see a follow-up monitoring and will support the process of the change in the modification of the cookie detector stage, though the ensuring that the core sensing device meeting and requiring quality standard stipulated in phase and design strategy. Risks are minimized associated with changing interests, reducing the potential impact on surveys. In planning support is planned and coordinated though the entire transition process associated with the creation modification of the surveys. We found the surveys requirements are taken into account the requirements for the detection device which establishes the telephone network, the various approvals of equipment specification and cost under measures system implementation. Documentation management taken into account change. The certificate takes into account the complete application is virtually and handling and installation and operation of the device. In incident manage takes the record of all incidents affecting the quality of surveys and solutions or identify the incidents are categorized for registration, are prioritized, and they perform the initial diagnosis and have the current solution. In managed access is the access control user definite entry and deletion or data talking into account the hierarchy of its user definition and user password of the control where application are verified to provide risks and the monitor of status, the identifies and maintains user roles and groups concerned that people can operate equipment to eliminate it or restrict their rights. In management problems, that this stage ensures competence to analysis and offer solutions to those incidents that impact the frequency or degrades the quality of service. Detect serious management problems to keep track of problems to categories and priority are called to investigate and diagnose problems and find solutions for solve the problems. In events management, ensure competence to analysis and offer solutions to those incidents that impact the frequency or the grade of the quality of the service or event. Notification is generated to detect events for event filter and categorized event selects the best answer and there is the customer. The next, operation and technology management effort will be monitored in the facility and infrastructure. Its control IT operation management console information, where we'll keep a server where the information is to have a backup. The technology management that all devices required that all devices are required to operate a project as modern measuring equipment for the primary network. It is a watching device. In the next codes, the codes are the codes of implementing the project at the cost of the network study, cost of the device design, staffing, materials, and installation of equipment. It's also as monthly preventive maintenance management to perform preventive and corrective to give an approval service operation and a final project approval code reporting and detection in primary network in TV.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, thanks very much.
Ok, gracias. Chao.